Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a mesh Wi-Fi system using Netgear Nighthawk app step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Netgear Nighthawk mesh Wi-Fi system. Ensure you have your modem and internet connection ready. Download the Netgear Nighthawk app from your smartphone's app store. Open the Nighthawk app and create an account if you don't have one. Log into your account using your credentials. Tap on the Setup button to begin the installation process. The app will prompt you to connect to your existing modem. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the primary Nighthawk unit. Plug in the power adapter to the primary unit and connect it to a power source. Wait for a few moments until the LED lights on the unit indicate it's powered on. Return to the Nighthawk app, and it will search for the primary unit. Once detected, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Wi-Fi network. Choose a unique network name and password for your mesh Wi-Fi system. After entering your details, tap Next to continue. The app will begin configuring the primary unit for your new network. Once the primary unit is set up, the app will guide you to add additional mesh nodes. Place your first mesh node in an optimal location for coverage. Plug the node into a power source and wait for the LED to light up. In the app, select the option to add a new device. The Nighthawk app will find the new node and prompt you to confirm. Follow the instructions to complete the setup for the new mesh node. Repeat the process for any additional nodes you want to add. Once all nodes are set up, the app will finalize the network configuration. Test your Wi-Fi connection in various areas of your home to ensure coverage. You're now ready to enjoy seamless internet throughout your space. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.